Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale songs on a keyboard. First, you'll want to select a suitable keyboard, ideally one with at least 61 keys, to accommodate the full range of melodies. Make sure your instrument is properly set up and powered on. Then, the next crucial step is to locate the sheet music or MIDI files for the specific Undertale track you wish to learn. Many resources are available online to help you begin your musical journey. Once your setup is complete, focus on mastering basic keyboard techniques. Proper finger placement and a relaxed hand posture are essential for comfortable and efficient playing. Dedicate some time to practicing scales and arpeggios. These exercises significantly improve your finger dexterity and coordination. For your first Undertale pieces, consider starting with simpler melodies such as Fallen Down or Ruins, which offer a gentle introduction to the game's iconic soundtrack. To truly bring Undertale's music to life, understanding music notation is key. Take time to familiarize yourself with the treble and bass clefs, which indicate the pitch of notes on the staff. Learn about different note values, like quarter notes, eighth notes, and half notes, to grasp the duration of each sound. Practicing with a metronome is incredibly helpful. It will guide you in developing precise timing and a consistent rhythm, making your performances much more accurate. As you progress, you can enhance your Undertale performances by experimenting with various keyboard sounds and instrument voices to capture the unique atmosphere of the game. Always begin practicing new sections at a slow tempo, gradually increasing the speed as your confidence and accuracy grow. A valuable tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back can highlight areas needing more attention and help you refine your musical expression. Enjoy the journey of playing your favorite Undertale tunes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.